a Thai-inspired BLT kebab. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna work out now. No, so guys, I wanted to do Thai-inspired, so I wanted to get a pork belly. I know that meat is crazy expensive right now, but what I'm finding is when you get a big cut like the pork belly, which is the bacon or the pancetta just cured.
That's right.
It's bacon when it's smoked and cured. This is the raw form of it, so it can be any canvas that we want it to be. So we're gonna make our Thai brine, okay? So in this water that I have right here is gonna go coriander. Help me out, sis. Okay?
Yep.
Whole grain mustard.
Yeah.
Don't try that, guy. Just put it in. That is fish sauce. If you're fighting with your partner, have them smell it. A little bit of soy, dark soy.
Boom.
Here is some chili paste, anything you have. I like a neutral one. If you want it super hot, like we like it, go for it. Garlic. Okay.
Yeah.
We have some lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
You can get lemongrass frozen, pulverized, done, or you can do it yourself. Ginger, and then this is palm sugar. This is that Thai aspect of it. Okay, this is an extract basically from the palm tree. So it's a great, great sugar that breaks down and gives phenomenal flavor.
You already put this in?
This is.
Oh, jeez.
That's vinegar, so that goes in there too. I've been on the show for a decade. I thought that would be wine, you guys. Come on.
He was hoping.
That is vinegar. That is really good vinegar, by the way. Only the best, the Rachael Ray vinegar line, by the way, too, okay? So this comes up to a boil. What you're going to do is your oven set at 375. Yeah, sorry, 300, 325. You pour this hot over the top. You don't need to sear this belly. Nothing, Rach. It goes...
You don't need to do anything. Just throw it in there.
Nothing. Just
with the brine on it.
Yes, with the brine.
So brilliant.
Simple. And the brine is kind of like a marinade and a brine. It's kind of the two marriages, a happy, happy marriage.
Gotcha.
This guy goes in the oven about 3 hours or so. Could you let it sit overnight? Yes, you could. But what is the fourth all about? Friends and family and having things done.
That's going to make the house smell so good.
So good. Fish sauce.
So good.
Okay.
I would use it as perfume.
Christmas gifts to you and John this year. No more whiskey and bacon clubs and you fish sauce. All right. So here's what we're going to do. That stock, that braise, that liquid is strained out. I bring it up to a boil rate.
Of course you do.
Okay. Then I'm going to add a little bit of slurry. Cute little stirry there here. Okay.
Cue the slurry.
Okay. A little bit more of this
cornstarch and a little bit of water, guys. And you have to just kind of mix it back together if it sits for a sec, because it'll just kind of glue itself to the bottom of the dish. You got to get back together. There we go.
Okay, that comes up to a boil. Now I wanted to take the BLT. You can't just serve Rachael a BLT. This is the braised pork belly, which I'm going to show you over there. The tomatoes and then endive, because endive, like a lot of other lettuces, can actually stand the heat.
And it's sturdy.
Yes, exactly. So these bad boys are going to go on top of the...
Can I brush it with this?
Brush
this
it,
one's
sis.
cooked down, right?
Yeah, brush it. Basically, all you guys do, and this is what I like about the fourth. This is an easy fourth idea.
They're gorgeous.
So the great thing about these, because the belly is grilled, the longer the sit, the better they get. And at fourth, especially, this is probably the first time we're going to be entertaining in a while with friends and family. The longer it sits, the better it gets. So if this is at room temperature, you all, I got Southern there. It's gonna be really good.